Hello chaps, welcome back to Tino Mobile Car Wash. Today we'll be washing this classic Rolls Royce. Let's check out the condition of it. So this is a 1975 Rolls Royce, and except for some watermarks, dust and dirt, it's in very good condition. To begin this car wash, I use pre-wash products to safely soften and break down the dirt on this vehicle. Next, I perform a rinse off on this classic Rolls Royce with my pressure washer. Guys, what do you think about this color of this car? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I love it. Now it's time for the snow foam to cover this classic gold Rolls Royce. Very satisfying. Be sure to subscribe for more. So I now use the snow foam as shampoo, as it provides a great amount of lubrication as I now wash the 1975 Rolls Royce with my mitts. I start with the upper portion of the car and then move on to the lower portion, then the wheels. Now I rinse off all of the shampoo and dirt from this car. Give this video a like if you're enjoying this. Next, I dry the car. I then blow dry all holes and gaps with a leaf blower to prevent any water spots appearing. Time for the windows. My weapons of choice: a window spray and a window cloth. Let's move on to the interior with a vacuum. I then do the dashboard and touch up the rest of the interior. Now I perform the tyre shine and perform a final check on the wheels and the rest of the Rolls Royce to make sure it's all in perfect condition. Okay chaps, the in and out wash is complete. Let's have a look at the results. Okay chaps, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'll like.